In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free landing page using Tally.so in just 5 minutes. This process is amazing for anyone looking to set up a straightforward and engaging landing page without spending a cent. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and search for Tally.so. It's crucial to click on the official link to ensure you're accessing the right platform. Once you're on the Tally homepage, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and proceed. If not, take a moment to sign up, which is fairly straightforward. With access to your Tally account, you can now create a Tally form. You have the option to begin from scratch or use one of Tally's available templates. Templates can save time and spark some creative ideas, so feel free to start with one that suits your needs. After selecting a template or building your form from scratch, it's time to customize it. This is where you add all the necessary components such as questions, text blocks, and any design elements that will make your form stand out. Personalizing these elements is key to aligning the form with your brand's style and functionality. Once you're satisfied with your form's look and content, the next move is to publish it. Publishing your form gives it a unique, shareable link. This is crucial because you'll need this link in the latter parts of creating your landing page. Navigate to the Share tab, where you'll find an option to copy the embed link of your published form. Keep this link handy because we're going to use it shortly. Now, it's time to design your landing page. Using a free website builder like Canva can be highly effective for this purpose. Canva offers numerous tools and templates to help you craft a visually appealing landing page. As you work on the page design, consider a layout that highlights your Tally form effectively. Next, it's time to integrate your Tally form into this design. Locate the appropriate area on your Canva landing page and paste the copied embed link right there. This step seamlessly incorporates your customized form into the landing page, making it functional and user-friendly. Finally, once everything is in place, it's time to publish your landing page. By making the page live, you allow your audience to interact with it and submit responses or engage with the content you've placed. And that's it. Just like that, you have successfully created a free landing page using Tally.so, all in 5 minutes. By following these steps, you can now start collecting information, engaging with users, or even generating leads. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!